Hello students, in this video we will be seeing IP version 4 introduction and its notations from unit 3. Topics to be discussed in these videos are address space, notations, classful addressing, classless addressing, dynamic host configuration protocol DHCP, network address translations. An Internet Protocol address or IP address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. An IP address serves two main functions: host or network interface identification and location addressing. As you can see here, network X and network Y is connected with switches and routers. To identify these networks, we need an address called as network address, which is obviously an IP address. Here we see some facts of IP version 4. The IP version 4 or IPv4 addresses are unique and universal. The identifier used in the IP layer of the TCP/IP protocol suite to identify the connection of each device to the internet. An IPv4 address is a 32-bit address that uniquely and universally defines the connection of a host or a router to the internet. The IP address is the address of the connection and not the host or the router. Usually, the address space of IP address is mentioned in terms of 2 power 32. The value which yields for 2 power 32 is approximately 400 crores. So 400 crores of IP addresses can be accommodated in IP version 4. Dotted decimal notation is a presentation format for numerical data. It consists of a string of decimal numbers using a full stop or dot as a separation character. These IP addresses are written and displayed in a human readable notations. We can see here like 128.11.3.31 is a human readable dotted decimal format assigned as an IP address. In IPv4 addresses, which has already a 32 bits, for the purpose of representation, the bits may be divided into 4 octets written in decimal numbers, which is ranging from 0 to 255, concatenated as a character string with full stop delimiters between each numbers. Each and every block of dotted decimal format is assigned with an 8-bit binary address. So totally there will be 8 bits for each and every 4 blocks of IP addresses. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.